With such an active wildfire season during our past few years, odds are high at some point we'll be recreating on a recovery area. While our natural spaces are in recovery, there are a few things we need to keep in mind to have fun and stay safe without leaving any trace.
Do a little research to ensure the area you want to visit is open for guests.
Restoration landscapes are highly reactive to weather, often increasing seasonal risks. Be mindful of the forecast for the area you plan to visit. The risk of hazard trees, landslides, and flash floods are often increased in restoration zones.
The ground may appear solid but may not be. Utilize established trails to avoid potential hazards.
Natural and human-made materials may be unstable and should be left in place. Campsites should also be located away from steep hillsides and hazardous trees, which can have extensive structural damage.
Since waste may take longer to decompose in restoration zones, make sure to pack out trash, leftover food, and litter. Dispose of human waste using the proper facilities or in a cat hole, 200 feet from water, camps, and trails, or pack it out with a wag bag.
Since invasive species can easily gain a foothold and thrive in restoration zones, be sure to clear off your boots and gear before entering. Consider using campfire alternatives. Just because a place burned once doesn't mean it can't burn again. You can use a stove for cooking, a lamp for light, and warm layers to stay warm. If you are utilizing a campfire, before leaving it unattended, make sure to let the wood burn down to ashes and then drown those ashes with water.
Plant and animal life in restoration areas are more easily stressed since their landscape has been disrupted. Wildlife may be more unpredictable and should be allowed additional space.
Restoration efforts restore natural landscapes and human communities. Respect the residents and the visitors for whom restoration is important. What may look damaged to you is still a vital resource for others.